I really wanted to show you guys how I do my liner and apply my lashes because sometimes it'll change, but for the most part I think I have mastered the shape that works the best for me. A lot of times my liner will depend on which kind of lashes I'm wearing, but for the most part I wear, the same lashes I wear in almost every video because I love them. These are the Ardell Halloween collection ones in Batgirl. If you would like to skip ahead to see my lashes and liner, start this video at 4 minutes and 11 seconds. I decided to include my liner portion of this video because I wanted you guys to see how hard it actually is. I've been doing makeup for 4 or 5 years professionally, technically at this point, and I still really struggle sometimes with my liners. Just sometimes it doesn't want to work. But what I do is I take it from the outer corner of my eye up as far about as my crease, and then I bring it to meet at my pupil. This takes a lot of practice, and you have to use I use a very thin liquid liner, and then when I go in and fill it in, which is what I'm doing here, I take a bigger one. So I, all in all, use about 4 different liquid liners every time I do my liner. Whoops. But yeah, as you can see, like, it still can be really, really difficult. And I always keep eye makeup remover close in hand because it can turn into a disaster quickly. Like I said, I'm just taking it out from the corner as far as my crease, and you really just have to play with your eye shape and what you want it to look like. Now, I typically take them out and elongate my eyes. A lot of people will do cat eyes, where you take the wing and you go a little bit more up. It's just to give your eyes a lift. I like mine more out because I feel I have rounded eyes and they can be kind of small with lashes, so I like to elongate them with long flat liner. Now, my trick with my lashes is still the pupil rule. I take on my tweezers the middle part of the lash, like where it will be its fullest, and I line it up with my pupil. And once I like where it is, I will go out and work my way in, and then I will take my fingers and I will make sure that it's pressed against my eye. Because a lot of times, like, I would apply my lashes and I wouldn't do this part, and my lash would like fall right off because it can feel like it's on your eye, but you really have to press and make sure. And voila!